Alright, so it's time to get started with the stick form. Now the first four movements, the first half of this form, are attacking movements. So they are your strikes, and we're going to put together a couple of very useful patterns that will serve you well, not just with this weapon, with other weapons and your unarmed combat too. So you're going to start in a good stance like so. I've got my right side leading because this is my dominant side and the side that has the weapon in. But you don't really want to have your unarmed side forwards because this is the one that's more dangerous. So I'm going to start like so, and then the first movement is this. It's called a figure eight. There's two strikes to this. I'm going to strike across myself and then turn the weapon, lift it up behind me, and then strike across myself again, turn the weapon, pointing my wrist upwards, bring it up, and then I'm going to go into the next move, which is a downward strike. I'll have a look at that in just a second. So to show you the first one again, I come across, up behind, across and up behind. And you can keep this going as much as you need to, till your opponent leaves you alone. The key thing is to remember that you're kind of drawing a sideways 8 pattern, or infinity sign, by drawing an X in front of you, like this. So get the pattern right first, then once you've got that, 1, 2, the third one, just come straight down past your leg, not into your leg, but past your leg this side. Instead of just carrying on with a normal figure eight, we come down like so. Then you're going to come up and you're going to deliver a thrust. Now it's not a stabbing weapon, but if this hits you in the body or the head or especially the throat, it's going to do some damage. So the first four movements, 1, 2, 3 and 4. Once more, 1, 2, 3 and 4. Have a try.